Today we will be talking about the VIZIO 5.1.2 Elevate SE Soundbar, a premium audio solution that brings cinema-quality surround sound right into your living room. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this soundbar in the description below at the latest price. The VIZIO Elevate SE Soundbar stands out with its unique ability to deliver a truly immersive 3D audio experience, thanks to its support for Dolby Atmos and DTS technologies. These formats create multi-dimensional soundscapes by adding height channels, and the Elevate SE cleverly uses adaptive height speakers that physically rotate upward to bounce sound off the ceiling. This innovative design fills your room with sound from all directions, enhancing movie watching, gaming, and music listening beyond traditional stereo or surround sound setups. Powering this audio performance is a robust 185-watt maximum output combined with a wireless subwoofer that delivers deep, rich bass. This powerful bass foundation complements the clear and detailed highs and mids from the soundbar, providing a balanced and full-bodied audio experience. Whether it's the rumble of explosions or subtle background music, the bass response adds authentic depth that transforms your entertainment. Connectivity on the Elevate SE is versatile, featuring Bluetooth for wireless streaming from mobile devices, USB for direct playback, and HDMI eARC support. The HDMI eARC connection unlocks the highest quality audio formats and allows seamless control of the soundbar using your TV remote, reducing clutter and complexity in your setup. The design of the VIZIO Elevate SE Soundbar is as thoughtfully executed as its sound performance. It features premium fabric on the front, rotating aluminum speaker elements, and stylish exposed side ports with customizable LED lighting. This modern aesthetic not only looks great in any room but also reflects the product's cutting-edge technology. One standout feature exclusive to VIZIO is QuickFit, a mounting system that eliminates gaps between the soundbar and certain VIZIO TVs. With included thumb screws, you can attach the soundbar securely in just 3 simple steps, no tools needed. This creates a clean, integrated look that enhances your home theater's visual appeal. Control and customization are further enhanced through the VIZIO mobile app, available on both Android and iOS. The app allows you to adjust advanced soundbar settings, receive firmware updates, and personalize your audio experience, although note that the soundbar remote control is sold separately. In summary, the VIZIO 5.1.2 Elevate SE Soundbar offers a compelling combination of powerful sound performance, immersive 3D audio technology, flexible connectivity, and sleek design. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking to elevate their home audio setup with cutting-edge surround sound and effortless integration.